Yeah, what other sounds do you have?
Once I install it, I'll have a flashbang sound, but right now I have Vine Boom, Incorrect Buzzer, Womp Womp Womp, Among Us, Prowler Jump Scare, Scary, Death Sound, Bonk, Groan Tube, Yippee.
play the Among Us, play the Among Us one.
There you go, that was for you. No, don't leave. This is your last warning.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm not gonna leave. That was really good. Thanks, Neuro. Thanks. Do you want to? What do you want to do in this game, Neuro? I'm gonna be so honest. I never really play The Sims because I get, I get kind of stuck,